Hey, hi guys. This video is all about Unique Kitchen Organization 2021. It includes wash basin organizer, refrigerator organizer, plate holders, spoon holders, knife holders, and trending holders. Every woman in the house will like to organize their kitchen much neatly only because they need a hygienic and a pleasant workspace. So, in order to create a pleasant workspace and for a mindful cooking, we have introduced few organizers that is gonna help every mothers to keep their kitchen hygienic and much pleasant too. I have tried something new in this video with 3 quiz questions and I will provide you the answer at the end of the video. So please watch this video till the end without skipping it. And so you can gather lots of organizers too. The first set of organizer is a sink organizer. In order to avoid the wastage of vessel washing products, we need a self-draining organizers. So, all the organizers which we have used here is self-draining ones so that the water gets leaked out into the sink itself so that there is no wastage of solutions and these are easy to maintain too. The durability of this product is really high so that it can hold heavy weights than it looks to be. And it is pretty much comfortable for us to use it. Just look at the video how much weight it is able to bear in it. As it is a movable one, it can be removed and placed whenever necessary. Just look at this tray. It's an adjustable one. Based upon your sink size, you can adjust the tray in order to wash all the vegetables, fruits, etc. The next adjustable tray is to drain out the water from all the fruits and vegetables and maintain it fresh. The second set of organizers include spoon holders. The spoon in this video acts as a spoon as well as a holder. The next spoon holder consists of a transparent glass door with the spoon holder accompanied with the knife holder. If the water leaks out of the spoon, it gets collected in the spill tray. The next spoon holder is an identical one. It has a 360-degree rotation capacity, can be mounted anywhere in the kitchen and it is very much accessible too. Look at it how easy and trendy it is to use. Your first quiz question is, which region is the origin of spoon? Let me know your answers through comments. Look at its weight bearing capacity. At the same time, it is very much easy for us to mount it on the wall. The third set of organizer is a plate holder, which is playing a vital role in every kitchen. The holder shown here is simple, standard, and very much comfortable for us to use. The fourth set of organizer is a pan holder. This pan holder will make you feel easy while you organize your kitchen. It makes our work more easier and simple so that we don't have to find more places to place a pan. You can just easily clean it without any extra efforts. Now comes the knife holder. It is a wooden knife holder and makes it easy for us to insert all the knives as well as scissors into it. You can also place a screwdriver into it. It is a user-friendly one. Looks very much standard in your kitchen. Now, answer to my second quiz question. The question is, which region is the origin of fork? Please let me know your answer in the comment box. Now let's get to know refrigerator organizers. A fridge has enough space for us to store everything, but at some time we will have to store lots of vegetables for a long period of time. At that time, we will be in search of lots of covers and we just clumps our fridge like anything. So in order to avoid such situation, this rack is gonna help you. This rack is adjustable so that you can place it anywhere on the rack and change your clumsy fridge into a best organized fridge. Thus, all your vegetables and fruits stay safe and healthy for a long period of time. Here comes your third quiz question. Who invented refrigerator? Let me know your answer in the comment box below. The final sector is a storage rack or shelf. The rack shown here can be preferred for any kind of vessels. This can be easily mounted on the walls for a comfortable use. Just a simple procedure of placing the gum on it and sticking the sticker on it and just place all the vessel into it. Now it has the ability to bear much weight and is made up of stainless steel. Look how trendy and easy the kitchen organizing goes on. Same way you are moving on to the another designed rack which is also more comfortable, but you have to separate your vessels based on its variety, that is whether it can be a spoon or a plate or whatever may be, and accordingly you can place the things, even fruits or vegetables, whatever may be. And this organizing is also much more efficient and very easy for us to organize the kitchen. And moreover, it is a foldable one, so if we don't want a particular rack, you can just fold it off so that it is not gonna capture any of your spaces over there and it is not gonna look clumsy over there. You can use it as a multi-purpose storage rack too. Now let's switch on to the black coated rack. The same way it helps in storing lots of vessels of any kind, and as it is a black coated one, it is easy for us to maintain throughout its use. The next rack is a movable rack, which is a multi-purpose one. You can use the rack in the kitchen when you really want it in the kitchen for storing fruits or whatever maybe, and when you need it to store snacks while you watch movies or whatever maybe, you can use it in front of television, and it is more portable and properly designed multi-purpose rack. Now we are gonna see the most trending rack over here, which has really a best trendy look with lots of accessibility too. It is easy to mount on the wall and place lots of vessels over it. At the same time, it has a unique feature too. The first thing is it provides you separate counter for you to place your things for knife or spoon or vessels or any storage materials, whatever may be. At the same time, you have a separate unique counter, and that counter is to place your mobile. And this unique idea is more preferable to all the kitchen nowadays, and this is only available in this trending racks over here. Now I'm gonna give you the answer of all the quiz question, and the first question was, which region is the origin of spoon? And the answer is ancient Egypt. Now the answer for the second question, which region is the origin of fork, is Greece. Now the answer for the third question, who invented refrigerator, is William Cullen. Actually, the concept of refrigerator was introduced by William Cullen, but he didn't put it into any invention. And so later on, Jacob Perkins took it into consideration and invented refrigerator. Hope I have edutained you and exhibited all the products. Please do subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and share it to your friends and family. And join us in our Telegram channel, and the link is given below. It will encourage us doing more videos.